Fashion culture in France is known for its sophistication, elegance, and timeless style. French fashion has been a significant influence on the global fashion industry for centuries, with Paris being recognized as the fashion capital of the world. French fashion has not only influenced the way people dress, but it has also shaped the way people think about fashion and its role in society. The history of French fashion can be traced back to the 17th century, when French fashion designers began to gain recognition for their innovative designs and attention to detail. During the reign of Louis XIV, the French court became a center of fashion, with the king himself setting trends and establishing a dress code that was followed by the entire court. French fashion continued to evolve over the next few centuries, with designers like Coco Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, and Christian Dior becoming household names. Today, French fashion is still revered for its quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. French designers are known for their use of luxurious fabrics, such as silk and cashmere, and their ability to create designs that are both stylish and functional. French fashion is also known for its emphasis on simplicity and elegance, with designers often favoring clean lines and classic designs over trendy and flashy styles. The impact of French fashion extends far beyond the borders of France, with people all over the world looking to French designers for inspiration and guidance. French fashion has become a symbol of style and sophistication, with fashion enthusiasts around the world emulating the classic French look. French fashion has also had a significant impact on the global fashion industry, with many international fashion brands drawing inspiration from French designs and incorporating French elements into their own collections. For the French people, fashion is more than just a way of dressing, it is a reflection of their culture, history, and identity. French fashion is deeply ingrained in the national identity, with many French people taking pride in their country's fashion heritage. French fashion is also an important part of the French economy, with the fashion industry accounting for a significant portion of the country's GDP. In addition to its economic and cultural significance, French fashion has also had a significant impact on the way people think about fashion and its role in society. French fashion has always been about more than just following trends, it is about expressing oneself through one's clothing and creating a sense of individuality and personal style. French fashion has also been a champion of sustainability and ethical fashion, with many French designers prioritizing ethical and eco-friendly practices in their designs. French fashion culture is not just about the clothes, it is also about the lifestyle and etiquette that accompanies it. The French take pride in their appearance and place a high value on dressing well, no matter the occasion. They believe that fashion is an art form and that it should be treated as such. French women are known for their effortless style, and their ability to make even the simplest outfit look chic and sophisticated. French fashion culture also places a strong emphasis on quality over quantity. French women invest in high-quality pieces that will last for years, rather than buying cheap, disposable fashion. They also believe in building a capsule wardrobe, with a few well-chosen items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of different outfits. This philosophy of less is more is reflected in French fashion, with designers favoring simple, classic designs over trendy, disposable fashion. The French also have a unique approach to fashion that is centered around individuality and personal style. French women are not afraid to take risks with their fashion choices, and they often mix and match different styles and textures to create a look that is uniquely their own. This emphasis on personal style is reflected in French fashion, with designers creating pieces that are versatile and can be worn in a variety of different ways.